Introduction to machine learning for beginners. We have seen machine learning as a buzzword for past few years. The reason for this might be the high amount of data production by applications, the increase of computation power in the past few years, and the development of better algorithms. Machine learning is used anywhere from automating mundane tasks to offering intelligent insights. Industries in every sector try to benefit from it. You may already be using a device that utilizes it. For example, a wearable tracker like Fitbit or an intelligent home assistant like Google Home. But there are much more examples of machine learning in use. Some of them are prediction. Machine learning can also be used in the prediction systems, considering a lone example to compute probability of a fault. The system will need to classify the available data in groups. Second one is image recognition. Machine learning can be used for face detection in an image as well. There is a separate category for each person in a database of several people. Speech recognition. It is a translation of spoken words into text. It is used voice searches and more. Medical diagnosis. Machine learning is trying to recognize cancerous tissue. Financial industry and trading. Companies use machine learning in fraud investigations and credit checks. A quick history of machine learning. Machine learning, it was introduced manually in the year 1940s when electronic numerical integrator and computer was invented. At the time, the word computer was being used as a name for a human with intensive numerical computation capabilities. So, electronic numerical integrator and computer was called as a numerical computing machine. Well, you may say it is nothing to do with learning, but it is wrong. From the beginning, the idea was build a machine able to emulate human thinking and learning. In 1950s, we see the first computer game program claiming to be able to beat the checkers world champion. This program helped checkers players a lot of improving their skills. Around the same time, Frank Rosenblatt invented the perceptron, which was very simple classifier, but when it is combined in large numbers in a network, it became a powerful monster. Well, the monster is related to the time, and in that time, it was real breakthrough. Then we see several years of stagnation of neural network field due to its difficulties in solving certain problems. Thanks to the statistics, machine learning became very famous in the year 1990s. The intersection of computer science and statistics give birth to probabilistic approaches in artificial intelligence. This shifted the field further toward data-driven approaches, that is, it having large-scale data available. Scientists started to build intelligent systems that were able to analyze and learn from large amount of data. As a highlight, IBM's Deep Blue system beat the world champion of chess, the Grandmaster Garry Kasparov. Yeah, I know Kasparov accused IBM of cheating, but this is a piece of history now, and Deep Blue is resting peacefully in a museum. According to Arthur Samuel, machine learning algorithms enable the computers to learn from data and even improve themselves without being explicitly programmed. Machine learning is a category of an algorithm that allows software applications to become more accurate in predicting outcomes without being explicitly programmed. The basic premise of machine learning is to build algorithms that can receive input data and use statistical analysis to predict an output while updating outputs as a new data becomes available. Here are some types of machine learning. They are supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforced learning. Overview of supervised learning. In supervised learning, the data presented is labeled, which means that each data is tagged with correct label. In second one, it is once it is trained, we can test our model by testing it some new mails and checking the model is able to predict the right one. Types of supervised learning: classification and regression. Classification is a problem uh, when the output variable is a category such as red, blue, disease, and no disease. Regression is a problem when the input variable is a real value such as dollars or weight. Here are an overview of unsupervised learning. In the unsupervised learning, the AI system presented with unlabeled, uncategorized data and system algorithms act on data without prior training. The output is dependent upon the coded algorithms. The types of unsupervised learning are clustering, association. Clustering is a problem where you want to discover the inherent groups of data such as grouping customers. Association, an association rule where you want to discover rules that describe large portion of data such as people that buy X also tend to buy Y. Overview of reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning algorithm also receives rewards by performing correctly and penalties for performing incorrectly. The agent learns without intervention from a human by maximizing its rewards and minimizing its penalty. Here are these are the examples that uh, machine learning which is useful and motivated to get interested in the topic. Thank you.